As an owner of an e-commerce store, I receive multiple written inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. Now, replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time-consuming task for me. So to solve the problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, with the help of this amazing application that is Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, you are going to understand how you can automate product return process for e-commerce on WhatsApp. Now, as I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, whenever I receive any of the queries from my customers on WhatsApp related to return, automatically what is going to happen? This bot is going to send a reply towards my customers. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business as well, I am going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time. So this is the bot that I've created, and I will write a message over here. I want to return the product. I'm going to send this message towards this bot right over here, and within few seconds I have received this reply. Hello, welcome to Trendora Hub. We are here to make your return process smooth and simple. I want to initiate a return, so I'm going to select this option, and as soon as I've done that, it is asking for my order ID. My order ID is ABC345. Okay, I'm going to send my order ID. After sending the order number, it says, thanks, could you tell us the reason of your return? I have damaged product, so I'm going to select the option damaged product right over here. It says almost done. Please upload a clear picture of the product for quick review. So I'm going to enter the image right over here in this chat. And you can see right away I've added the damaged image. Okay, and as soon as I've added the image successfully, it says your return request has been submitted successfully. Our team will review the details and update you shortly. Okay, so as I've received this message, we'll try some other option. Let's suppose as product support. So I'm going to select the option product support, and as soon as I've done it, says not working properly, missing parts, need usage help. I'm going to select the option missing parts right over here. As soon as I've done it, says sorry for here that, could you please describe the issue in short. I'm going to write over here as not working properly. I'm going to send this message, and as I've done that over here, you can see it says thanks for sharing and reaching out. Our team member will call you regarding the request. I have received the phone number and the email address of the business for quick call as well. Okay, so you can see this bot is automatically replying to all the messages that I am forwarding. Okay, so this is how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time, and I'm going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After I browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is then going to appear in front of you. Now over here, before I tell you about this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here in this space, you can get help not just from the team members but also the fellow users. In this space, you can ask questions, share ideas and feedbacks. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of the community in the description section below. Okay, on the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page, you will find two options, that is sign in and sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly account, you can directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to start using Pabbly Chatflow and more features. Okay, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you will see the all Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this access now button right over here, and then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now, Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing platform through which you can send and manage your WhatsApp conversations super easily. In this platform, you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers. For that, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, where you will find two options to add your number, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn about both of the tutorials of how you can add your WhatsApp number, you can find the videos, you can find the tutorials of these videos in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow also provides with multiple features features like inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcasts, flows, assistant, activity logs, settings, under which you will find multiple options. So if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can find the links in the description section below of all the videos. Now to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, from the left side of the panel, go towards the flows section right over here. Now we are going to add a new flow. For that, click on this add flow button on the top right corner. Now after that, firstly we have to rename this flow that we are creating. So for the name of this flow over here, I'm going to give it as automate product written process for e-commerce on WhatsApp. Okay, after naming the flow, firstly it is asking for us to set up our trigger. Over here, trigger is a box using which this flow is going to get started, initiated. In trigger, we have multiple trigger events. Through the event that we are going to select, this flow is going to start. There are events like keywords, regex matched, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, and tag assigned. Okay, I'm going to select the event as keyword regex match right over here. Now what is this keyword? I'm going to enter a word, let's suppose as hey, and press the enter key to save the keyword. Now if by any of the leads or customers I receive this word as a message, this bot is going to be triggered. In the similar manner over here, you can enter the keywords according to your requirement right over here. Okay, you can enter as many keywords as you want. Okay, after that it's asking for the regex. Regex is a short for regular expressions. It is a special character or sequence of characters through which you can find, match, or filter out specific text. Okay, for the regex I have a special character that is going to let this flow get triggered by any of the messages that we receive from our customers or leads on the WhatsApp. So I'm going to enter that special character right over here. So you can see right over I've entered the regex. Okay, after filling in all the required details right over here, we have set up the trigger. Now after the trigger, what I want is my first message should be what? A welcome message with two options, initiate return and product support. For that, simply drag the point and drop it. Content type, select over here text plus button, and for the message I want the same welcome message over here. So I'm going to copy this message from here and paste it right over here. Now in this message you can see I've highlighted this name of my business. How you can do that as well, how you can bold the text, simply in front of the text and in the end of the text add 2 stars. That is going to create this text over here as bold. Okay, now over here, after adding this welcome message, as I want to add the button, so I'm going to click on this add buttons option, and now I have 2 buttons added. Now we're going to name both of these buttons right over here. So you can see right over here I added 2 of the buttons, that is initiate return and product support. Okay, firstly we're going to set up the messages for this initial return option. Okay, over here as a customer is going to, as a lead or a customer is going to select this option, firstly I want to collect the order number. So we have to add an ask question field right over here. Go to action setup and drag the ask question field and drop it over here. For the question, I'm going to copy this question from here and paste it over here in the question field. Okay, and connect both of these dots. Okay, so this is the first question for the order ID. Now I want to save the reply of this answer that I will receive. For that, we are going to use this amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom field. I have created a contact custom field in the name of order number, so I'm going to select that from here. Okay, in this field the order ID that we will receive as a message is going to be saved from our lead. Format is going to be any right over here. After setting up our first question, my next question should be, thanks, could you tell us the reason for your return? Okay, now for that, simply I'm going to drag the point of this question and drop it in this field. Content type is again going to be text plus button, and for the message over here I will send the same message that I have right here, so I'm going to paste it. And for the buttons, I will have 3 buttons like this, so I'm going to enter all the 3 buttons and name all of them right here. And you can see I've added 3 of the option: damaged product, wrong product, and size issue fit. Okay, so now as I've added all of these labels right over here, what I want is I want to capture the response of this selected reason as well. For that, simply I'm going to set the custom field from this option under actions. Add this right away. I'm going to connect it right here. My contact custom field is going to be the return reason right over here. I've created this field, and the reply, the value is going to be what? Damaged product. So I'm going to enter that value right here. In the similar manner, I'm going to enter all the answers right over here again. Okay, I'm going to copy all these fields fields and paste it in the similar manner and connect it. Okay, I'm going to do that for the last one as well. So you can see right over here I've added the contact custom fields. Now what is going to happen, if any of the leads is going to select the option from the given buttons, automatically in the field return reason, this answer, damaged product or wrong product or the fit issue is going to be saved. Okay, that is I've added the answers in this manner through this contact custom field option. Okay, now after adding the contact custom field, what I want is next message should be I want the image. So as I'm asking for the image, under action you will find this option that is ask media. I'm going to drag it and drop it and connect all these contact custom fields right over here because I want the image of the product that they want to return. I will copy this question from here and paste it over here in this field. Contact custom field I have created in the name of product image, so I'm going to select it. Over here for the media type I will receive an image, so I'm going to select it, but I will select over here as the option any because any customers can also send a video, document or audio, any of that. Okay, now after that over here it is asking for number of attempts. I will give only one attempt right over here, and for the validation message I'm going to write over here as error. Now what is this validation message? If the customer or the lead is going to send me an image right over here and it's not equal to this selected type, then automatically they will receive a validation message of error right here. Okay, now after asking for this media, now I will send this message of this confirmation. For that, simply I'm going to drag this field, drop it. I'm going to select the content type over here, text plus button, and for the message I'm going to copy this message over here and paste it over here in this field. Okay, as my team is shortly going to review and send you a message. Okay, so these are the first setup of this flow. Okay, for the button what, that is initiate return. Now let us set up the product support. Now if the customer or the lead selects this option product support, these are the sets of messages that the customer or the lead will receive. Firstly, I'm going to drag the point of the product support, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. Message over here is going to be no worries, we are here to help. So I'm going to copy this message and paste it right over here. Now after entering the message, I have three options, so I'm going to add 3 buttons right over here. In this message you can add maximum number of 3 buttons only, keep that in mind. Okay, now for the name of these buttons I'm going to simply enter all the button names right over here. So you can see I've named all the buttons, not working properly, missing parts and need usage help. Okay, so now after any of the buttons are selected by any of the leads from here, what I want is I want to send the same message right over here. I want to ask a question, so I'm going to simply drag the point of ask question and drop it in this field, and I'm going to connect this question with each and every button that I've created over here in this message, and this is the question I want to send. Okay, now after that what I want is I want this answer to be saved in this contact custom field, issue description. Okay, format is going to be any right over here. Okay, now as I've received the description, my next message is going to be this, where I will share the support details of my team. With that I'll write a note that one of my team members is going to contact soon. Okay, so I want the same message, so I'm going to copy this message, drag the point of this question, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and I'll enter this message right over here, and I'm going to highlight few of the points over here as well. Okay, so now as I have entered this message successfully, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this bot that I've created. This is the entire bot that I've created, you can see right over here, and now we have to save this bot. For that, click on the save button and this bot is successfully saved. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this bot again once for all of you. Okay, for that simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So now this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to write the message, hey, I want to return the product, and as soon as I've sent this message, I've received this message, hello, welcome to Trendora Hub. Okay, I'm going to select the option as initiate return right over here, and you can see it is asking for all the details right here. Okay, and as this bot is now automatically replying to all my messages, this is how this bot is created through Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. You can also create your WhatsApp conversation super easily according to your requirement using all the features that we give you inside Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. And this bot is going to handle your return queries 24/7 without you lifting up your finger. Okay, and now to show you where where all the custom fields reply are going to be saved. Open your inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow account from here, and in the inbox section, if I'm going to open the conversation right over here, so this is the conversation. You can see the entire conversation. If I'm going to open this contact custom fields, here are all the replies saved. Okay, you can see the reason is damaged product. Over here, this is the image URL. If I'm going to show you, the description is not working properly and all the other details. Okay, so now in this manner, this bot is going to work in real time for your business as well. Go ahead and create amazing WhatsApp chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow today itself and create your WhatsApp conversation in your business more efficiently. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.